Hi guys, what's up? It's Anne. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anne. I upload lifestyle, fashion, and sewing related content. So if you're interested in any of those, then make sure to subscribe. So if you've been watching my past few videos, then you know that I recently got a house. And yes, the title is right. They're not reading it wrong. I actually got another house a few weeks ago, like around 2 weeks ago. And it's crazy because in a span of 1 month, I was able to get 2 houses. I'm still overwhelmed. And before that, I just wanted to give a little disclaimer. I'm not trying to brag. This is not a product of just me. This is a product of so many people, so many supportive people. I'm so lucky to be surrounded with such an amazing support system, especially my mom. Special shout out to my mom because she's really the one na talaga nagpupuyat at nagpapagod para dito sa investment na to. And so I owe it all to her because you guys know I'm working from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. So hindi ako masyado nakakagising ng maaga at nakakatulog because syempre puyat ako. So siya talaga yung nagpapagod the whole day for this investment, and I'm so grateful for her. And so yeah, not trying to brag, I just love documenting my life, especially in this crazy time of my life. I just want to say too, like, what they say is true. Life is not a race. And I got delayed from graduating in senior high school because I was a party girl and I was crazy. Not the best daughter that you can ask for back, like, 5 years ago. And here I am now. Life is not a race. Everyone's gonna bloom in their own timing, and I just wanted to share that because it's really true. And throughout this whole experience, this past month or so, that's really something that I realized. Life is really not a race. You're gonna bloom in your own timing, and I hope this video inspire at least one person. I'm so grateful, and I'm still on cloud 9 by everything that's happened. But yeah, anyways, enough with that crap. I just wanted to share the empty-ish house tour of the red house. We call it the red house because it has a red gate. And so yeah, here is the house tour. Today mag-house tour tayo. Again, another empty house tour. If you wanna book this house, links are on the description box. So let's go. So pagpasok mo, this is called the red house because of the red gate. So, meron tayo dito. Actually, 2-car garage to kapag maliit yung car nyo. But because nandito yung van, and then meron dito parang patio na maglalagay kami dito ng outdoor furnitures. Yung house na to, guys, it's giving probinsya. Parang ganito yung vibe ng house namin sa iba na to. And then, let's go here. And then here, ito. Ang tawag ata dito is kalyado, something like that. Basta isa siya sa mga prominent features ng bahay na bato. Hindi ang tagal. Basta isa siya sa mga features ng bahay na bato, prominent features. And ito talaga yung, di ba marami din to sa bahay natin sa kabila. So, ito yung parang Spanish bahay na bato vibes house. And that's why it's so homey. And then when you go in, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath with an outside guest house. So parang 4-bedroom na din siya. Hindi pa siya fully furnished, but we're almost there. So nandito ngayon yung uncle namin na they're in the middle of moving. So, nandito sa distance. So, nagbigay kami ng wooden living area set, living room set. Kasi, yung vibe ng bahay parang antique. So, ganoon din yung type ng mga furnitures na gagawin namin. And then, the jalousie is another feature na parang feeling ko makes it even more probinsya and very vintage. Mas okay. Kasi sa bahay namin sa kabilutuan, actually, jalousie din. Pero wood yung jalousie. And ang plan ko dito is lagyan siya ng film para kapag morning, kasi north or west facing siya. Pag umano yung araw sa sun rags. Parang merong iridescent rainbow speckles.
Ang feeling.
Tapos, papalitan pa namin itong curtains na to. Hindi kasi pa namin ito nagpa-prioritize kasi nga yung isang house is tinatapos pa, but we're almost done with that house. And then, TV, eto kasama na ito yung house, pero papalitan pa din namin siya. And then,
Actually, okay na yan. Kailangan
Hindi,
nilang
pero
kulo,
kasi,
parang ano.
eto, ilalagay namin ito sa labas. Baka mag-couch din dito. Tapos gagawin natin itong center table. Pero, yeah. And then, one of my favorite features in this house is the ceiling. Sobrang ganda ng ceiling. Ewan ko, may parang vintage feels din siya. And I really like it. So, and then here we have the dining table. Same wood color, same vibes. Parang, pretty neat. Meron pa dito mga pinakay. And then, di ko alam kung saan to, pero ilipat pa to.
Na-aching ako. Na-aching ako.
Pero baka,
Ang ganda.
baka ililipat pa to. And also the wood, the flooring is this wood tile, fake wood, pero it's really nice. Compared to the other house na na-mention ko to nung house tour, madaming babaguhin dun sa house na yun. And eto, bagong-bago pa talaga yung loob ng bahay. And we're free to build on the house. So, dun kasi sa other house, that's why we're building a portable pool na may fence. It's because di kami pwedeng mo na any permanent changes. Pero dito pwede. So, mas free siya in terms of that. And then here are the two bedrooms. Yung isa, andun si Uncle natutulog. So, hindi na natin siya bubuksan. Yun yung master's bedroom. Yun yung pinakamalaki. So, the other rooms, very probinsya talaga siya. Like, the jealousy again. And then, eto, ang nag-remind to is yung bahay sa Camille. Yung mga ganitong, cabinets, closets. Pero ang bala namin dito is lagyan pa siya ng igawin kong double walling and maybe lagyan na wallpaper
Hindi nga
inside.
gano'n
Kasi hindi siya gano'n kadala. So, pero very vintage din yung feel nung neto. And then, minsan dito natutulog si Kuya Tonton, yung worker. Kapag pinapantayan niya sa akin. And then, eto.
Pangit. Edit ko nga yan.
Pero yan, then, jealous windows then. Okay, so that's the first bedroom. Second bedroom, same feels. Again, dito natutulog si Kuya George. Pero jealousy then, same type of closet. Again, that very antique, vintage feels to the house, which is great. And then, ito yung pinaka babaguhin namin i-renovate is the bathroom. Ipaparenovate namin siya.
Pink
Kasi-
yarn?
Kaya nga we don't like the color and feeling namin hindi siya nagpa-match sa entire house kasi sobrang cohesive na nung buong bahay. Pero eto biglang naging pink
Kaya nga.
and modern. So parang balak namin palitan
Sino may-ari na to?
balak namin palitan yung tiles into a Spanish type of tiles and maybe if kaya ng budget, machuka tiles on the floor if kaya ng budget. So, ayan. And then here, this is the kitchen. Again, that very provincia feels in the kitchen. Our type of cupboards. Papalitan din namin siguro yung tiles neto. But I actually like the cupboards of this more than the other house kasi hindi ko nagaganahan yung cupboards ng other house. But yeah, and then ref. Actually, itong ref na to, i-move to here kasi ang ganda nitong parang window dito sa in between the dining and the kitchen. So, move
Dapat
to
dito siya.
here para makita pa dito and then pwede maglagay ng trinkets dun sa window na to. And then more cupboards. And then, let's go to the backyard. So, itong backyard na to, it's very raw. Madami pa kaming gagawin dito. Okay. So, as you can see, it's very spacious. Very, very spacious. So, ito grass namin po. And then, dito ilalagay yung pool. So, ayan. Yung pool namin is again an above the ground pool para hindi na magbutas kasi yun yung mahal guys, yung pagbubutas or pagbubukay for the pool. So, above the ground pool lang dito siya, maybe around 4 to 5 feet. And then, ipapasimento or grass yung likod. And then, this is the back house na actually ang balak namin gawin dito is a studio unit. So, ipapagiba namin itong lahat and then studio unit namin siya. For couples na gusto ng mga private swimming pool na sila lang dalawa ng jowa niya or small family na may isang anak or dalawang anak, pwede na sila sa studio para hindi, tapos gusto nila ng private pool para hindi na sila magbayad na for a big group like this. So, yeah.
So separate siya.
Yes, magiging separate siya. Or if bigger group naman, pwedeng i-occupy yung buong space. Tapos may separate na studio unit dito. So, may bathroom, kitchenette, a small living area, and a bed area. So, yeah. Malaki na siya dito until here. As you can see, marami pang space. Actually, kahit sa harap, baka pwedeng if ever, kayanin ng budget, baka dito may isang maliit na pool and then sa harap may maliit na pool din para separate yung dalawang houses. In the future, medyo mahaba-haba yung lease namin dito. I think 5 to 10 years yung lease. So, madami kaming time na mag-add in the space. And also, yung sinabi ko nga kanina, mas free kami dito to make permanent changes to the house kesa dun sa isang house kasi mas mahigpit yung contract. So, meron ditong right of way. Ito side. And spacious din siya actually. Hindi siya sobrang parang is-ibutan. Mas spacious din siya. And then, we're back at the front of the house. And dito yung sinasabi ko na pwede pang maglagay ng swimming pool dito. Kasi ang laki nito guys. Ang laki ng space na to na pwede pang maglagay ng swimming pool. Para merong swimming pool for the front house and swimming pool for the back house. Pero unahin muna namin yung sa likod and then later on, kapag may pera na, then we'll change. Ayan. Nangangalay na yung cameraman ko, but that's it for the house tour. Again, we are soft opening this house. So, if you're a big group tapos kailangan nyo lang na matutulugan, our prices are very, very discounted right now since hindi pa siya fully furnished. So, if you are looking for a cheap accommodation around Angeles City, Pampanga, don't forget, zip code is 2009. Bye!